How did Norman law change England? Have you ever wondered how the Norman Conquest reshaped the legal landscape of England? The year was 1066, when William the Conqueror arrived, and everything changed. First off, the Normans introduced a new system of land tenure. This meant that the king became the ultimate landowner. Lands were redistributed to Norman barons and knights in exchange for military service. This feudal system replaced the earlier Anglo-Saxon arrangements. It created a strict hierarchy of landholding and loyalty. Archaeological evidence, like the Domesday Book, shows that most land shifted into Norman hands. The king and a small elite controlled vast estates. Next, the Normans built many motte-and-bailey castles. These were new types of fortifications designed to secure control over the land and its people. Archaeological remains of these castles are found all over England. By the year 1100, over 500 of these castles had been constructed. This rapid construction marked a strong effort to impose Norman authority across the region. Another significant change was in inheritance patterns and legal customs. The Normans introduced primogeniture, where the eldest son inherited the entire estate. This was different from some Anglo-Saxon practices. This change helped consolidate landholdings and maintain the power of noble families aligned with the Normans. The Normans also established new administrative and legal institutions. They created royal courts and appointed sheriffs to enforce laws and collect taxes. Archaeological finds, such as seals and coins, reflected the growing bureaucratic control under Norman rule. These changes helped streamline governance in a way that had not been seen before. Additionally, the Normans promoted the construction of churches and monasteries. These buildings served both religious and political purposes. The increase in religious structures after 1066 is evident in archaeological records. Many new Benedictine monasteries and cathedrals were built in the Romanesque style favored by the Normans. These institutions helped legitimize Norman rule and spread their cultural influence. From an archaeological standpoint, the Norman conquest also impacted everyday life. Farming practices and diets changed as well. Analysis of animal bones and cooking pottery shows a shift toward more controlled farming. For example, pigs were kept in enclosures and fed protein-rich scraps. This indicates a more intensified approach to animal husbandry. Pork consumption increased, while traditional staples like cabbage remained common. Despite the political upheaval, the diet of ordinary people changed only slightly, with short-term food shortages but overall stable nutrition. In summary, Norman law changed England by imposing a feudal land tenure system, introducing new legal and administrative structures, altering inheritance customs, and supporting a new architectural and religious landscape. Archaeological evidence complements historical records by showing how these changes affected both elite power structures and the daily lives of the population.